In this video, we will show you how to export and import component groups. With the Export button, we can export the currently selected component group. After defining the file name, the group export is finished. We can now close the Python part. Here we have another computer where we want to import the group we just exported before. Simply click the Import button and select the group you want to import. We can see that the group was added to our Other palette. We can now select any cross-section from this group. Now let us define one of these splines as the axis and create the geometry. As you can see, it is really easy to export and import different component groups. This enables you to share your cross-sections with others.